Have you ever wondered about the magic that unfolds in the streets of New Orleans during a second line parade? It's a spectacle of rhythm, movement, and unadulterated joy that sweeps you off your feet, compelling you to become a part of it. But what is it exactly? Well, let's dive right in. Second line is more than just a dance. It's a cultural phenomenon that takes root in the heart of New Orleans, blossoming into a vibrant expression of community, celebration, and shared rhythm. Born out of the rich African American traditions and the unique blend of cultures that make up the city, second line parades are a testament to the resilience and spirit of New Orleans. Picture a brass band setting the beat, their music echoing through the streets, a jubilant call to the city. But it's not just about the band. Oh no, the real magic lies in the second line, the crowd that follows the band, dancing, celebrating, and letting the rhythm guide their steps. It's a parade like no other, a moving block party where the entire city is invited. In a second line parade, there are no spectators. There are only participants. It doesn't matter who you are or where you're from. When the second line starts, you're a part of the celebration. You're part of the rhythm, the movement, the shared joy that pulses through the streets of New Orleans. But it's not just about the dance. Second line parades serve as a symbol, a living, breathing, dancing testament to the power of community and shared celebration. They're a reminder of the strength of the human spirit, of our ability to find joy and unity even in the face of adversity. Now that we've set the stage, you might be wondering, what does it take to be a part of this fascinating tradition? Well, my friends, all it takes is a love for rhythm, a willingness to move, and an open heart. So, are you ready to join the second line? So, you wish to groove to the rhythm of the second line, don't you? Now, let's dive into the heart and soul of second line dancing, the rhythm and the moves. In the world of second line, the rhythm is king. It's all about the syncopated beats that make your feet want to tap and your body want to sway. The rhythm is infectious, pulsing through the air, inviting everyone around to join in the dance. Now, let's talk about the moves. Second line dancing is not about precision or perfection. It's about expression, joy, and most importantly, having fun. The basic steps are quite simple. It's a shuffle and a strut, a hop and a skip. But the magic lies in how you make these moves your own. Add a twist here, a turn there, let your feet follow your heart, and voila, your second lining. But remember, second line is not just a dance, it's an experience. It's about letting loose and surrendering to the music. It's about feeling the rhythm in your bones and letting it guide your movements. It's about forgetting the world for a moment and just being in the moment, dancing your heart out. Remember, the key is to let the music guide you. But how can one truly immerse in the second line experience? Well, that's a story for another scene. Stay tuned. Now imagine yourself amidst the vibrant crowd, swaying to the jubilant tunes. What's missing? Yes, the ensemble and props that make the second line not just a dance, but a spectacle, a celebration. Let's talk attire. Think bold, think bright, think flamboyant. This isn't a time for subtlety. The more colorful your outfit, the better. Mismatched patterns, vibrant hues, eclectic accessories. It's all about making a statement. And remember, comfort is key. You'll be dancing, strutting, and parading. So wear something that allows you to move freely. But the outfit is just the beginning. An integral part of the second line aesthetic is the props. The umbrella, for instance, is not just for shade, it's a dancing partner, adorned with sequins, feathers, and all things shiny. It twirls and spins in your hand, matching your every move. The more ornate, the more eye-catching, the better. And let's not forget the handkerchief, a simple white piece of cloth that, in the hands of a second-line dancer, transforms into a symbol of joy, waved high and proud in rhythm with the music. These elements, the attire, the umbrella, the handkerchief, they're not just accessories. They're extensions of you, your personality, your joy. They make the second line what it is, a celebration of life, love, and community. Now you're dressed for the part. But wait, there's more to make your second line experience unforgettable. Ready to step into the heart of the parade? Let's dive into the spirit of the second line. One can't fully grasp the essence of the second line without understanding its communal aspect. This isn't just a parade, it's an embodiment of unity, a celebration of life, and a testament to the resilience of the New Orleans community. It's a dance that tells a story, one that has been passed down through generations, surviving trials and tribulations. Imagine a place where the beat of the drum resonates with your heartbeat, where the rhythm of the brass band syncs with the rhythm of your soul. That's the magic of the second line. It's a dance that transcends age, race, and social status. It's a dance that unites, a dance that liberates. Now, let's talk about how to fully enjoy this experience. Embrace the community. Don't be a bystander. Join the parade. Move with the crowd. Let the music guide your steps. Dance like no one's watching. Because in the second line, everyone's too busy dancing themselves to care. Surrender to the rhythm. Let the music seep into your bones. Let it control your movements. Don't worry about getting the steps right. Just follow the beat. The second line isn't about perfect choreography. It's about feeling the rhythm and expressing it through dance. Celebrate life. The second line is a celebration of life in all its forms. It's about acknowledging the past, embracing the present, and looking forward to the future with hope and joy. So, let go of your worries, let the music lift your spirits, and dance your heart out. There you have it. You're now ready to immerse yourself in the enthralling world of second line dancing. So, when are you planning your trip to New Orleans?